Hello students, in this video we will discuss our exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4, which is linear equation in two variables. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed the examples which will help you to have the questions of exercise 4.2. Okay, now let us have the questions of exercise 4.2 one by one. Question number 1. Which one of the following statements is true and why? Okay. For the equation y is equals to 3x plus 5. Question number 1. Y is equals to 3x plus 5. Can you say that this equation is the solution, linear equation in two variables? Yes. Two variables, one constant, so it is a linear equation in two variables. So we have to say that for this equation, which statement is true? This equation has a unique solution, only two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. So based on the discussion and based on the concept what we have discussed about the solution of the linear equation in two variables, says that this equation has infinitely many solutions because it is having two variables. Why it is so? Why it is so? It is already having LHS and RHS. An equation always have LHS and RHS. Okay? So try to get this statement. An equation always have LHS and RHS. Okay. So it is already written in this form y is equals to 3x plus 5. So from here you can see for different values of x you will going to get different values of y. So the numbers are infinite. So if you put any number out here in place of x, you will get different values of y. So this equation will have infinitely many solutions. Okay. So third part is the answer. Now question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. 4 solutions of each of the following equation. So the equations are in the form, suppose 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2x plus y is equals to 7. If we leave y here, y is equals to 7 minus 2x. Now it is also having LHS and RHS. It is also having LHS and RHS. So if we put different values of x out here, we will get different values of y, and you need only 4 solutions here. So this type of question we have discussed in our previous video. So I hope you can do this. Now question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. So now this is somehow different. Question number 3. X minus 2y is equals to 4. Here 5 solutions are given. Means the 5 different values of x and y is given. Okay, so for those values of x and y, we have to find it out which values of x and y will give you the solution of this equation. That means LHS should come equals to RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. First solution, 0 and 2. 0 and 2. Let us put 0, 2 into 2. You see here, no? X equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 we have to put. So it is coming 2 2's are minus 4, which is not equals to RHS. So this is not the solution for this equation. Now the second one, 2 and 0. 2 and 0, 2 in place of x and 0 in place of y. 2 minus 2 into 0 is equals to 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, which is again not equals to RHS. So this is also not the solution of this equation. Now part third. 4 and 0. 4 and 0. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 0. What is our equation in the left hand side? 4 minus 2 into 0 we have to write. The value of y is 0, no? So 4 minus 2 into 0, 0, 4. That is our RHS. That is our RHS. So this set of values of x and y is the solution for this equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. Okay. Part 4. Root 2 and 4 root 2. Root 2 and 4 root 2. Let us see that they have solution or not. Our LHS is x minus 2y. LHS x minus 2y. X is 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. 2 into 4 root 2. What can be the solution according to you? If root 2 if we take common, 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 1 minus 8 minus 7 root 2, which is not equals to RHS. Okay, 4 2s are 8 I have taken here. The value of y will be put here. No, y is equals to 4 root 2. Value of x is root 2. So root 2 I have taken common from here, and 4 2s are 8. 1 will be left here. 1 minus 8 minus 7 will give us. So minus 7 root 2, which is not our RHS. Our RHS is 4. So this is also not the solution. Okay. Part 5. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Our LHS is x minus 2y. 1 minus 2 into 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is again not equals to our RHS. So this is also not the solution. Our only solution is this. 4 and 0. 4 and 0. I hope you have understood. Now the last question of this exercise. Question number 4. Easy only, but let us see. Find the value of k if x equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. 2x plus 3y is equals to k. If the solution is x equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. That means 2 and 1. If 2 and 1 is the solution of this equation, we can find the value of k. Easy. Only we need to put these values in here, which will give us the value of k. So let us have k in the left hand side and 2x plus 3y in the right hand side. So 2 into value of x 2 plus 3 into y, value of y, 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So 7 is the value of k. So this how we have completed 4.2. In the next video, we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.